Hello, I'm Dr. John Smith, a relationship counselor and marriage therapist with over 20 years of experience. Today, I'm here to talk about an issue that affects many couples: infidelity. When trust is broken in a relationship, it can be a real challenge to rebuild and move forward. But the good news is it can be done, and I'm here to share with you some tips and techniques for rebuilding trust after infidelity in your marriage. First and foremost, it's important to understand that rebuilding trust takes time and patience. You can't expect to fix everything overnight, but with the right approach and support, you and your partner can move forward and rebuild a stronger, healthier relationship. Here are a few steps you can take to rebuild trust after infidelity. Communication is key. Have open and honest conversations with your partner about what happened, how you're feeling, and what steps you're willing to take to rebuild trust. Take responsibility. Whether you're the one who was unfaithful or not, it's important to take responsibility for your actions and do what you can to make things right. Seek support. Whether it's through therapy, support groups, or talking to trusted friends, seeking support can help you navigate the challenges of rebuilding trust and healing from infidelity. Practice forgiveness. Forgiving your partner and yourself is an important step in the healing process, but it's important to understand that forgiveness takes time. So be patient and compassionate with yourself and your partner. Remember, rebuilding trust after infidelity is a journey, but it is possible with the right approach and support. And if you're looking for more tips and insights, I encourage you to download my free ebook, Marriage Rescue: Tips for Building a Stronger, Healthier Relationship. It's packed with proven strategies and techniques for improving your relationship and rebuilding trust after infidelity. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact me. Have a great day.